Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Here you find the latest informations and updates about technology and technology related gadgets. Today we are going to discuss that what keyboard options do you have? Options do you have on your mobile? Let's search it on Google and let's see what Google answers or finds us for the best things. The 7 best Android keyboards you can download to type faster and more efficiently. There are several other options also available on the Play Store from where you can download the keyboards and the themes for the keyboards for using further or in future, which are quite convenient, and you are able to access them through your Play Store or any other um, aftermarket thing. You just only have to download those keyboards into your mobile and have to give access to those applications from which you can get the keyboards. Okay, let us just click on the first link given on this query. There are 7 best Android keyboards you can download to type faster and more efficiently. There are reviews for the people who have just used these kinds of keyboards in their mobile phones already. For example, you have an Android phone, then you have certain options for downloading the keyboards. For example, Android keyboards are plentiful as third-party downloads in the Google Play Store. Third-party sellers are available in the Google Play Store from where you can get free access or you can buy these keyboards directly to your mobile phone. You can install numerous keyboards on your phone to get features like glide typing, which is quite common in updated versions of the Android phones. You can have access to checking the spellings and the translation of the text you have entered just through the keyboard. Here are 7 of the best keyboard alternatives you can add to your Android phone. For example, you can add Anker One. Here it is the most powerful keyboard which is available on Google Play Store, and through this you can host a podcast even free. One of the best reasons to get an Android phone has always been how customizable it is. Okay, the on-screen keyboards are available in the Android phones, and by the use of some such on-screen keyboards, you can just get handful experience on writing the sentences, typing the things which you need, and you can get most out of it by the use of these type of keyboards. Another type of keyboard is AI type 1. Basically this is an artificial intelligence based keyboard where you can find a lot of options. Emojis are available, you can navigate up and down, right and left, and the other characters are similar to the already available keyboards in the Android phone. You can get the information on this link about the AI type of keyboards. Hopefully you have liked this video. If you like this video, then please hit like, comment down below, subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so very much.